To check screen usage time on a Redmi A5, you can for sure do this, and all you have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll down until you find the options of the digital well-being and parental controls. Let's go in there, and from here you simply have to tap on this diagram right here, and as you are here you will be able to take a look at the screen time. As you can see, you can filter out eventually the screen time from here, and you have this diagram of the whole week and the amount of time you are using your phone in the different periods. As you can see, you can select the day of the different weeks actually. So yeah, and also right here you can find the applications which we are using in this particular day and the amount of time you are using these applications, as you can see. So yeah, that's how to basically do this.